Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto E6S, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, click to this edit icon, and just to add this invisible options, you should hold it and drag it to the up section. So as we can see, that's so simple. If you want to remove some of these options by the same way, you should hold it and just drag it to the down section. After, if you want to just change the positions of the options of these icons, just hold the icon and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. And just to save the changes, go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.